Got another one. This one doesn't sound near as good.
Oh.
Oh.
No, that was not what I was doing.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh boy. Here we go.
Huh? I gotta go get training.
Oh, this is a 455.
Yep, this is a 455.
Charlie, what did 442 mean?
4-speed, 4-barrel, dual exhaust.
Ah.
Oh, dual exhaust.
Okay.
You know, I know a car you fucking...
Kayla's leaving this wonderful place of magical and fun stuff. What's with the purple everywhere?
This was built as a show car.
Oh.
For steering competition.
Oh.
And...
They wanted it pretty.
Just something different. That purple neon's underneath. Purple accents inside.
Hey, how many dBs is the red Oldsmobile out there?
146.
146?
What?
146 decibels. The red Oldsmobile out there has a system in it that is absolutely. I've heard it once. It's. I think. Did you?
That was enough?
Yeah. It's wicked. I don't know. Remember, Matt, price limit.
One of the amps out of this car.
One of the amps out of it?
The other amp burned it.
Yeah?
Which is why I pulled the system down. And I'm thinking I finally got the other amp fixed here about a week ago. So I'm curious to put her back together, but...
Yeah?
You boys, let's position ourselves in the proper location.
Yes. Assume the position. Posy rear. One wheel wonder. Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Okay, hold on.
Hey Charlie, I think you left something on the pavement here.
I found some tire on the ground.
You want to save that?
No, this doesn't clump up like my tires always did.
Yeah, you're
fucking cobras.
Oh shit. Sweet.
On that mom's of it. These fucking cobras.
What does this one do? Oh wow, what is with the shifting mechanism?
That's a Hurst Olds piece.
Ah.
Wayne, camera.
Camera.
That used to be part of a tire.
That used to be a tire at one point in time.
Like dust in the wind.
That's nice. Very nice.
Fan squeaks a little bit.
Yeah. This is an Olds 455 and that's a Buick? Okay.
Yep. I don't know if this one... I don't know if there's enough juice in this battery to make it happen or not. It's awful picky.
Oh.
Hard crank, huh?
You got motor mounts going? Thing rocks like a son of a gun. Yeah, you missed the good stuff, Phil.
Oh, come on, man. I just got here. You gotta let him up.
I was gonna say you missed the burnout in that one.
Oh, shit. You mean it gets better? Assume the position, sirs. Avoid the tire shrapnel.
Fuck no. I want a basket.
Nelly, I'm lost. I'm lost.
I'm liking it. There's a fire on the other side.
Okay, that's posy.
Some more tire.
More tire. More tire. Good stuff.
So what do you want for this?
I want a paint job. I want all kinds of stuff with this.
Oh, Charlie. We at risk of alienating my Asian views, we figured out a way for you to raise $3,000 for a lawyer.
I don't do happy endings. Unless you count that kind.
No, we're talking about your cat ranch.
Okay, I gotta hear the
My
story
kid
behind
is ready
this.
for new home.
Ready for a new I mean home.
One you should have really heard Phil was that good one.
I'm here, fire back up.
Gotta put a battery
I
back
just
in it.
got off of a fucking 6-day week in Minot. Dude, that fucking sucked.
Charlie, do you know Phil?
I think we met.
We've met plenty of times.
Once or twice.
Yeah.
95% time alcohol's involved.
I think so.
It doesn't really narrow the time limit down.
Yeah. What?
The big boy.
What is it?
292.
292.
292 high torque.
What's the difference between a 292 and a 292 high torque, Charlie?
Realistically, probably just a year, but I'm wanting to say it was a different stroke.
Oh,
I'm wanting to say they stroked this one up, and that's what called it the high torque.
yeah.
They're all pretty damn torquey.
Yeah. Well, Roman's one of them inline 6 nuts.
I'm not a complete inline
We
6
got cars back here. Everybody wants to steal.
There's certain inline 6
Well,
I
actually,
really
I
like.
think I talked to you, know.
Actually, Chevy, I like the 250s because they're just kind of a. You can toss them in a Camaro, you can toss them in a pickup.
Yeah.
Just when
Okay,
he's
it's
in a
been sold
car.
6 times.
What year
I
is
still remember that. 'Cause you actually,
what year is this Suburban?
I believe it's a 65. It'll be a
65.
64 to 66 model.
I was gonna
Okay.
say, there's the blue one and the red one, $500 for both of them.
For a piece or the set?
For both of them, the set.
I could have them sold like right now.
Fuck you, man.
He can have.
No,
them sold.
Travis needs a car.
I don't
There's
care
no
what
motor, no
Travis
tranny, nothing
needs.
in any of them.
He doesn't care.
He doesn't
And
need a car. He wants a car.
He wants a Camaro
I know he wants.
in the worst way.
You get them, we'll go 250 with you.
You need a post. Huh? Yeah, but neither one of them are running.
Like a sewing machine.
Yeah, but you need something now. That runs now. That's why I say that van would be a good pick.
No, I'm getting that too. That's the thing for my system.
No, seriously, it sounds like a sewing machine. Ticka, 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 ticka. Nice. What year is this bourbon?
65.
65. Roman nailed it. Sweet.
Well, I can finally say that without a question mark on it,
Oh,
because I finally found a stamping on the frame rail.
oh.
There's no VIN on this thing. It's gone.
Big ass man.
What?
Where it had been is rusted out and gone.
Would you have